am not for sale. And even if I was, you're several zeros short. Now, you may be able to buy your man sausage for that, but to me it just looks rude at breakfast.
You're out of touch. You're forgetting the laws of the jungle, looking down on me. Now when the silverback's got more silver than back, you best move on. Before he gets moved on. It's not dignified. It's beneath you, Michael. I'm trying to do you a favor. This is a big fucking number.
And this? Oh, this is a big fucking gun.